Reversible and irreversible changes. Changes that occur around us can be broadly categorized as reversible and irreversible, depending on whether the change can be reversed or not. Reversible changes. Changes that can be reversed are called reversible changes. For example, the molten wax becomes solid again when cooled. What happens to an ice cream if you do not finish it quickly? Of course, it melts. Can you change the molten ice cream back into a solid? Yes. Just keep it in the freezer. Molten ice cream can be changed back to its solid form. Thus, melting is a reversible change. Melting of butter and chocolate are also reversible changes.
Activity.
To understand the reversible changes, blow a balloon. Now, release the air. Does it come back to its original shape and size? Take some dough and make a ball. Roll it out. Can you change it back to the ball of the dough? Fold a sheet of paper to make a toy aeroplane. Can you get this same paper by unfolding the aeroplane? In each of the three activities, is it possible to get back to the materials with which we started our activity? If the answer is yes, it means that the changes occurring in these activities can be reversed. Irreversible changes. Suppose you have been asked to answer the same three questions which you answered in Activity 1. What would your answer be now? Is that same or changed?
Activity.
Take this same balloon which you used in Activity 1.1. Blow it to its full size and tie its mouth with a string tightly. Prick with the pointed tip of your pencil or a pin. Oops! It burst. Roll out a roti from the ball of dough again and bake it on a tawa. Can you get the same dough back? Take the same piece of paper which you used in Activity 1.3. Draw an aeroplane on it and cut along its outline. Can you get the same paper in its original position back? Activity 2.1. Such changes that cannot be reversed are irreversible changes. You use a pencil and an eraser. With repeated use, their shape and size changes. Some irreversible changes play an important role in our lives. Digestion of food, growth of our bodies, breaking down of plant and animal wastes into simple substances that make soil fertile, etc. are few examples of irreversible changes.